Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Easy Trading channel in my YouTube, and I hope this video it will be so useful for my English friends. Sorry for my English, I need to improve, I know, and I hope you can understand also what I try to explain. Okay, today we try to talk about Bitcoin, natural gas, oil, UB bank, gold, and something else. Okay, so we're starting from the Italian market because in this morning Intesa San Paolo offered new a new OPS, a new exchange public offer to UB Bank, and then UB Bank, as we can see here, and then UB Bank jumped about 25%. This is a very, very great jump. If someone bought UBI in the past days, in this moment will be very, very happy. So I don't think this is a good time to purchase some UBI Bank shares because, as you can see, the price touched the same level of some years ago in October 17 and in 18 on January and May. So I don't think it's a good idea to purchase in this kind of moment. And maybe it's better that if someone won't purchase it, to wait. In this moment the price could be a little bit down. So, by the way, we can see the future in this moment because we have an alert on Apple. This is my test account on eToro. We have an alert by Apple because Apple has published an alert about the iPhone, and this is could be a very big problem. In fact, the Asian market, all Asian market go down during the night. Apple announced that last night the iPhone production chain has been partially blocked by the lack of supplies from some Chinese partners. So, and then plus there has been a drop in demand for its smartphone in recent weeks. For this reason, the indication of revenue released in last January maybe will not be respected, and so we can expect a big drop also for Apple. So the coronavirus is a very big problem for the markets in this kind of moment. As we can see, the Nasdaq share in this kind of moment minus 1.24%. So it's a very we can expect a hard afternoon when the US market will open. By the way, we have a check also to take a look also to the natural gas, because yesterday natural gas rises up 5%, and I think this is a technical rebound because there are no particular news about the natural gas, and then as I showed you yesterday, we are in a cycle, we are starting a new cycle of a period of 4 years, because every 4 years, so maybe it's not really, but we can see that every 4 years the gas go down, even if we say the 2008, okay, here the gas was not so low, but the price was at $13. Wow, it's very incredible, $13. So I don't think that we can back to $13. Okay, maybe we can rise about 2, 2.3, 2.5 by the next month, not in the next day. By the way, I hope this cycle are true. We will see, we'll see. And then take a look at the Bitcoin, because in the yesterday Bitcoin fell, as you see, fell and tried to break the resistance to 9,700, and then also the ascending line, the ascending green line. So we take a look at the 2-hour graph in order to see better. And now the price is around 9,700. I think we will stay on this range of price for the next days, and then maybe the price could be go down again and then try to rebound. It's very hard to understand what the Bitcoin could be in the next day. So we take a look at the oscillator. In this kind of moment there are a little rise, but I don't think for the moment the prices could be very interesting. I hope the price rise a little and remain at internal area of this kind of triangle that I traced, that drew it in the past day. But it's very hard to have any kind of previously or sorry, maybe it's not the right word, every kind of prediction about this kind of asset. So I'm a trader. I'm not I can't do any kind of prediction. I only can study the statistics and the past of the graph, and then I try to understand how the price can move. So we take a look also to the oil. The oil in this kind of today is in a low price. So he fell about 2%. It fell about 2%. Also together to the Asian markets, so for the reason that I just told you, and then I expect the oil can be rise again in the next day, but in this moment it's very hard to predict also this kind of price. We can only wait that the situation of a coronavirus back to the normality, we hope. We take a look also to the gold. So this is the XAUD USD, and now the gold rise to 1,050.88. 5088. So it's very incredible, but not so incredible really, because the coronavirus and the crisis of markets pushed the gold up. So, by the way, I expect that the gold arrive here to 1,600 and 600, and then maybe I will open a short position, but we'll see. I think gold could be reach this kind of price maybe. So let me see. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe can rise to 1,595. So we'll see. For the moment is all. I don't have any kind of asset to discuss with you, but I'm sorry again for my English. I hope you can understand that for me it's not easy. So not easy translated that I show in Italian and also in English, but I try to do it. And then if you have any suggestion, if you want to leave a comment, if you want to talk about some kind of argument, leave me a comment. If you liked my channel, subscribe my channel. Also, select the bell, because if you want to remain updated about the new videos. And so, have a nice day, and stay tuned and finger crossed. Bye bye.